Oh my gosh, guys. I was supposed to go to a doctor's appointment this morning, so I dropped Mason off at his grandma and grandpa's house and went to go to the appointment. But this morning, Long Island got 13 inches of rain, which apparently is apocalyptic here because the highways are all shut down and I couldn't get where I have to go. So I just got redirected down a one-way road because that's safe. Thanks, police. And now I decided that I'm going to wind down from being stuck in traffic for 45 minutes, going nowhere, by going to a Target that they just built a month ago. Because that's how normal people, that's how they chill out, right? They go to Target. Yeah. But I just wanted to let you know, this is my day so far. Are you jealous? You should be jealous. Okay, on that note, I am going to go in Target and see what happens there. Hey guys, so I didn't do anything in Target with the camera because I didn't feel like getting yelled at by all the new staff, but another time we'll do something in Target, maybe. I got Mason a few surprises for his birthday, and one I'm gonna give him now because he is all sad, and I feel bad, and I'm a sucker when he's sad. So the only thing that made him happy is after I picked him up from his grandma and grandpa's house, I told him that we could go see Papa, because Papa took off today. Right, Mace? Are you excited to see Papa?
Mm-hmm.
Where are we?
In Papa's house.
We're there right now? Should we go inside and see them?
And get that special red surprise and the black one.
Yeah, you want your special surprise?
I do.
Okay. You ready? Alright, let's run to the front door and tell Papa how excited we are to see him. Quick! Where's the front door? Go, go! I bet your Papa's waiting for you. He doesn't want to see a sad Mason. He wants to see your surprise, so you have to go inside quick. Oh, why are you so mopey? Knock on the door, say, Papa! Call Papa. Call him, he can't hear you. Call. I said call him. Go ahead, where is he?
Hi. Were you scared? A little bit? Hi, it's my buddy. How's my buddy?
He's exhausted.
This is not going on any YouTube crap, or
Oh, yes, it is.
I'll delete everything you've ever had stored in my computer. Everything.
Jerry's timer records the sound of each shot. From the start beat, Jerry drew and fired his first shot in .94. Then did his reload, and the second shot came at 2.66 seconds. But that first reload, sub 2 seconds, that's pretty good.
Can I shoot her?
Can I shoot her? Thanks, Mace.
Ready? Look out.
Whoa!
Can we shoot?
That just grazed my shoulder.
Let's
You gonna do
show
it
her
again?
Come on, let this
Why do you just want to shoot Mommy? What if I shoot you?
What if I
Watch,
shoot
watch.
you?
Oh, oh, oh.
Let's do it again. See if we could try it.
You got it right below the lens. My dad has good aim, what can I say?
Right, that's what you want. That's competition speed stuff. So,
Learning and fishing to how they should deal with life itself. But this one might be the hardest lesson I've ever tried to teach.
Oh,
I want so bad to show them.
I'm not very good at this.
Easy, okay? You have to pull it in front of the string.
With the string, baby.
Watch. Watch. You touch the string. Watch Papa. You touch the string, and you hold it with the string. And then ready? Let go.
Can I?
You're gonna have a hard time doing this. Everyone's gonna knock in the arrow. Easy.
Papa, I want to show you.
No shooting, Papa.
When you open the ticket,
Mace, get the arrows off the door so you can give them to Papa.
they already get to our one.
There's one stuck on the door. You gotta get them. Go get the ones that are stuck on the door, Mace.
You stuck it to the arrow and do like a door and try and do it hard.
Will they bring it out to the car when you go? No.
Oh, you broke it.
That's the Papa's
Oh
thing.
no.
Yeah, be careful. These are delicate. Right?
They were only $1. Hey again. So I decided I'm gonna go get some pizza, and on the way I decided that I was going to come down by the water because my parents live by the water, and I wanted to see if there was still any water, how high it was, and I was kind of surprised at how much it's gone down. It's still pretty interesting though. So it's starting to dry up. We're supposed to get more rain though, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, curiosity got the best of me. I had to see what it looked like down here. And now on to go get my free pizza. See you guys later.
Raindrops! My raindrop!
Raindrops?
There is a free. They're falling down the grass from the leaves. Do you see that from? Do you see that?
Mace, do you like the rain?
I do.
I do.
I don't like storm.
You don't like storms though?
But I just like the rain.
Apparently we needed more rain today. Let's see how flooded everything else gets. Fun times. I want thunder and lightning. Mason doesn't like it, but I do.
But you don't.
I do.
You don't.
I do. You should show everyone your bird. Where's your angry bird? Is he your favorite?
Mhm.
Ah! What's he say?
Why? Ow!
All right, Mommy's gonna open the window. Should I open the window? I should. We're gonna get all wet.
But can I open the window?
No, you can't open that one. There's no screen there.
Can I open the? You what?
Come here. Sit on my lap. Are you getting all wet?
You're gonna what?
You feel the rain?
I do. Can I feel the air too?
All right, let's shut the window. I think on that note, I'm going to end it for today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.